Today we discuss about 100 GK question on the topic of game and sport of India. Question 1. What is the national game of India? Hockey. When was the first National Congress national game of India held in India? 1924. Who is known as the father of father of Indian Olympic movement? Sri Darbaji Tata. When was the Indian Olympic Associate IOA formed? 1927. National Sport Day celebrate on which day? 29 August. National Sport Day is celebrated in honor of which player? Major Dhyan Chand. Which sport is most popular in India? Cricket. Where are the headquarters of BCCI located? Mumbai. When was BCCI established? 1928. When did the Indian Premier League IPL start? 2008. When did the India play its first test match? 1932. Where was India's first captain? C.K. Naidu. When did India win its first cricket World Cup? 1983. Who was the captain of India in the 1983 World Cup? Kapil Dev. When did India win the first cricket World Cup? 2011. Where was the 2011 World Cup final held? Mumbai. Who was India's captain in the 2011 World Cup? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who has scored the most runs for Indian in international cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. When did the India win the T20 World Cup? 2007. Who was the captain of India in the 2007 T20 World Cup? MS Dhoni. Who is called the wall of Indian cricket? Rahul Dravid. Who is the first Indian to score a double century in ODIs? Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the first Indian women cricketer to score 2000 runs in T20s? Harmanpreet Kaur. Who is the first Indian to take a hat trick in World Cup? Chetan Sharma. Who is known as Captain Cool? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. How many Olympic gold medal has India won in hockey? 8. Who is known as the Wizard of Hockey? Major Dhyan Chand. When was Dhyan Chand born? 29 August 1905. When did India win its last Olympic gold in hockey 1980 Mexico. In which year did Indian India win the Hockey World Cup? 1975. Where was the 1975 Hockey World Cup held? Kuala Lumpur. Who was the captain of Indian during the 1975 Hockey World Cup? Ajit Patel Singh. Where is the Dhyan Chand National Stadium located? New Delhi. Which medal did India win in hockey at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic? Bronze. Who was the captain of Indian men's hockey team in 2020 Olympics? Manpreet Singh. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic medal? KD Jadhav, wrestling 1952. Who won India's first Olympic gold in an individual event? Avinav Vindra. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Karnam Malleswari. Who won India's first silver medal in Olympic? Rajavardhan Singh Rathore. Who won the first Olympic medal for badminton in India? Saina Nehwal. Who won the first Olympic silver medal for badminton in India? PV Sindhu. Who is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medal? PV Sindhu. Who won India's first gold medal in athletics? Neeraj Chopra. In which event did Neeraj Chopra win gold? Javelin throw. Who is the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal? Mary Kom. When did India host the Commonwealth Game? 2010. Where were 2010 Commonwealth Game held? New Delhi. Who lit the flame at the 2010 Commonwealth Game opening? Milkha Singh. Who won Indian first medal in shooting? Jaspal Rana. Who won India's first Paralympic game medal? Murlikant Petkar. Who is India's most successful badminton player? PV Sindhu. Who is known as the badminton queen of India? Saina Nehwal. Who was the first Indian to win the All England Badminton Championship? Prakash Padukone. Who won All England title after Prakash Padukone? Pulela Gopichand. Who is the coach of PV Sindhu? Pulela Gopichand. Who is India's first Grand Slam winner in tennis? Mahesh Bhupati. Who won Wimbledon double with Mahesh Mahesh Bhupati? Leonard Pease. Who is the first Indian born to play in Wimbledon? Niram, Nirupama Vidyanathan. Who is known as Flying Sikh? Milkha Singh. Who is the first Indian wrestler to win a world champion? Sushil Kumar. Who won 2 Olympic medal in wrestling for India? Sushil Kumar. Who is Indian first female wrestler in to win an Olympic medal? Milkha Singh. Who is known as the golden boy of Indian athletes? Neeraj Chopra. Who won India's first medal in wrestling weightlifting? Karnam Maleswari. Who is the first Indian woman gymnast to compete in Olympic? Deepa Karmakar. Which Indian sport is known as the game of warrior? Kabaddi. Kabaddi organized from which country? India. Which state is famous for the game of Kho-Kho? Maharashtra. Which state is known as the home of football in India? West Bengal. Which Indian club is oldest in football? Mohun Bagan. When did India win the Asian Game Kabaddi title first? 1990s. Which country won the first Kabaddi World Cup? India. Where is the National Institute of Sport located? Patiala. Where is SAI, Sport Authority of India, headquartered? New Delhi. What is the full form of SAI, Sport Authority of India? Awards and trophy. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award is given for what? Outstanding performance in sport. Who was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award? Viswanathan Anand. Which award is given for lifetime achievement in sport? Dhyan Chandra Award. What is the highest sport award in India? Major Dhyan Chandra Khel Ratan Award. Arjun Award was instituted in which year? 1961. Who was the first Arjun Award winner? Krishna Das. Who won the first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan in cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Dronacharya Award is given to one sport coaches. Who was the first receptionist of Dronacharya Award? Balchandra भास्कर भगवत। एकलव्य award is given by which state? Odisha. Who is known as Haryana Hurricane? Kapil Dev. Who is India's first Formula One driver? Narina Karthikeyan. Who is India's first chess grandmaster? Viswanathan Anand. Who is known as the chess tiger of India? Viswanathan Anand. Who is the youngest grandmaster? Grandmaster of India? Rameswar Babu Pragnandha. Which Indian city hosted the 1982 Asian Games? New Delhi. Which is the mascot of it 1982 Asian Game? Appu, elephant. Who won the Indian first Olympic medal in shooting? Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod. Who was the flag bearer for India in Tokyo Olympic 2020? Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. Who is the first Indian woman to win gold at Asian Games? Kamaljeet Sindhu. Who is India's first para-athlete to win gold in Para-Olympic? Murlikant Patakar. Who is known as the Queen of Track and Field in India? P.T. Usha. What is the name of India's national sport policy? National Sport Policy 2001. In which year did India host the Asian Games for the first time? 1951. Which city hosted the first national game of India? Lahore.